Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. The latest version of the Microsoft PowerToys utility, version 43, is now rolling out. It started rolling out earlier today on the 4th of August 2021. This means we have gone from version 41 to 43 in this latest release, and the last release rolled out just over a month ago, and version 43 does not contain any new utilities and features. It just mainly concentrates on optimizations and bug fixes. Now, if you don't know what PowerToys is basically a set of utilities for power users to tune and streamline their Windows experience for greater productivity. And it's made with love by Microsoft and the PowerToys community, which means Microsoft maintains and develops the utility. And if you'd like to try it out, if you haven't done so already, you can just head over to GitHub, do a search there for PowerToys, and you can download it there and try it out for yourself. And it just gives you a couple of extra utilities that don't come standard in the Windows operating system that just increase and streamline your experience for greater productivity in the Windows operating system. Now, if you are new and would like to find out a little bit more about what each utility does, you can just click on Welcome to PowerToys, and this takes us to a welcome menu, and then you can just click on each utility, which will give you a summary of what the tool actually does and how to use it, and some tips and tricks. And this is especially handy if you are new to PowerToys. And if we go back to the welcome screen and we click on the release notes, this takes us over to GitHub, and it says here version 43 is primarily centered around stability updates and optimizations, installer updates, general bug fixes, and accessibility improvements. And then the four main fixes that version 0.43.0 has received in the update is changed tooltip text for system tray icon to be on a single line for Windows 11 compatibility. So they are upgrading PowerToys, as I mentioned in a previous video, that it could be rolling out in Windows 11 as well. And then fixed escape behavior in color picker so that only the flyout is closed if active. And then the next one is changed URL PowerToys Run plugin to launch HTTPS by default instead of HTTP. And then the last main fix is added confirmation dialog when system commands are executed from PowerToys Run. And then here we get general, you have new UI for sizes, list view in image resizer. And if we go back to that, we can see here, if we go to image resizer, the UI has changed. It was in a grid format, and now they have changed it into a more compact, kind of minimal looking menu. And if I just go back to those release notes, here you have your other general fixes as well. And then you get all the different fixes for all the different utilities. So Awake has got some fixes, Color Picker, Fancy Zones, all mainly fixes and compatibility issues have been addressed. Keyboard Manager, PowerToys Run, and so on. So if you haven't tried out PowerToys or would like to use it, you just head over to GitHub, download it, and you will see that it just gives you a lot of extra utilities. Now, I don't use all of the utilities, but I do find that some of them are particularly handy. I use Image Resizer, I use File Explorer add-ons, and I use the latest utility which was added in the last update to the PowerToys utility, Awake, which basically keeps your system awake without preventing it from going to sleep. And this is particularly handy if you are doing, so as an example, big downloads and you don't want your system to go to sleep and disrupt your download. So I hope you found this video useful. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.